Hi all. So today's video we are talking about, normally we are talking about data engineering, cloud engineering, Azure engineering and all, right? But today I think I'm giving some suggestions and it will help you lot of people. When we are from the computer science background or any other branch of background in the engineering, or from the BSc computer science engineering, different streams are available, right? Before you are pursuing your career, right, in the engineering or BSc anything, you have a clear crystal idea for the next 10 years or the 5 years. Then only we can move from the careers perspective. You can step by step in a correct position in the within the 5 years or within the 10 years. Meantime, you also need about some kind of skills, like for example you need to become confident when you're speaking in front of people. So that is means communication skill and confidence. That is the first thing. The second will be you need to update about the technologies, what are the newest technologies available in the market, and how you can implement or how you can use these technologies as a career perspective. And the second thing will be you can content creation. We are living in a 20th century, right? So that time there are a lot of opportunities are there. So you can take a content creation. If you are really good in the presentation, you can take various content, post in the YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, everywhere. So that there are a lot of openings or opportunities are there in front of you. And thing is that fourth one will be you definitely in a good place when we are handling with the financial management. For example, if you are living in a low salary, once we coming into the good position also, we are able to handle our money. That means financial freedom is the one of the goal. Then only you can handle your or you maybe you can create one budget with your help of partners and your family and all. This will help you a lot, and a long term goal will help you to the financial freedom and to live like a happy life, because whatever we are unique, right? So these are the important skill you need to learn when you are moving out of the college or when you are pursuing your degree and all. Then only you will at the 30 or 35 you will become financially freedom and living in the world with a full of joy and happiness. Thank you.